My shawarma inspired barbecue roast beef sandwich begins with a rub of paprika, cumin, oregano, garlic powder, cayenne, cinnamon, coriander, and allspice. Mix them up. This will make enough for a couple recipes. Our beef of choice is a beautiful top sirloin, coated generously with that rub along with salt. We're going to cook this on the barbecue over indirect heat, so preheat it and pop the roast on. Then turn that burner off just directly under the roast. Onto our cauliflower coleslaw. Cut up an entire head of cauliflower, or you could use a food processor, but make sure it looks like cauliflower confetti. Then we'll dice up one red pepper. We'll add some celery, along with some grated carrot for color. And then finally, some beautifully sliced green onions. Add a hit of flavor with mint and parsley. Add a ton of it. Don't skimp here. Then for the dressing, the zest and juice of one lemon, along with some salt and a good dose of plain yogurt. A little honey sweetens it up. Now for a beautiful tahini spread. Tahini in a little bit of water, white wine vinegar, hot sauce, garlic powder, salt, and again some honey to sweeten it up. Now let's check on that roast. I like mine medium rare, but be sure to check yours with a thermometer and then cover it for 20 minutes before you slice it. When it's time, slice it into beautiful slices and time to assemble the sandwich. Slather it with that tahini spread, pile it high with that beef and some of that cauliflower coleslaw. You're definitely going to want to add this to your barbecue rotation.